Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a long form kind of style video, but as you can probably see from the background, I have a bunch of PR that I've been so grateful to receive. I still cannot believe this is my life now. Like, I used to sit on YouTube, make these little videos thinking one day it would happen, and she's actually happened. So I was like, you know what, let me throw it back, let me go back on YouTube, go ahead, get it done, and yeah. So I'm officially back here on YouTube. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. But I'm going to go ahead and we can get started on this little haul of goodies. As you can see, there's an array of brands here. So let me go ahead and we can just get started. I'm going to start with these little envelopes first because I've actually got a few of them. So I have 6 little envelope packages here. So I'm going to go into them first. So let's start with this little shiny fella. Ooh. So you guys have probably seen this all over social media at the minute, but it is the Butterfingers. It is the glass skin liquid cream, and they also sent one of the little masks as well, which you guys have probably seen on socials, so I'm excited to try them out. Huge thank you to L'Oreal for kindly sending this over. I'm excited to give her a go. I never know what brands send these in the little envelopes, but we have, this is from Lancome. This is their new Curl Goddess mascara, which looks like this. So I love a good mascara, so I'm excited to give her a go as well. Another mysterious package. Let's see. This is from one of my favourite skincare brands. Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, which looks like it has a kind of yellow tint to it. So this is going to be good for the under eyes. Thank you, Kiehl's, because I know I'm going to love that. So this is actually from L'Oreal Group. We have Urban Decay. This is the long-lasting makeup setting spray with watermelon fruit extract, which I have the OG all-nighter spray, like you cannot go wrong. Right now I've got a little mini one. This is a classic, so I'm excited to give the watermelon one a go. This will be great for summers as well. So we have the Sky High and the Colossal mascara, which was also from L'Oreal. A little box here, let me just... Ooh, this is from NYX. A little highlighter in the shade Butter Bling, which is like a gold highlight. Excited to give her a go, so shout out to L'Oreal, because you guys are always spoiling me. So we have some more goodies from L'Oreal, I believe. We have some new brow goodies, which Kendall Jenner is on the cover. Fancy. So we have the brow lamination gel. This eyebrow gel is so good, by the way. If you have not tried it yet, you need to try it. This is my old one, and as you can see, she's been through the ringer, so I love her. So I'm excited to have a new one to add once that runs out. The L'Oreal Extensionist Mascara, which this is their new one. I've seen lots of ads about that. Then we have the L'Oreal Faux Brow, which looks like this. I'm excited to give that a go. It has like 2 little tips on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like 2 tips in the one. Let me just open one. It looks like, you can see she has like 2 little tips. I'm not great at the swatch application, but it's like 2 in 1 basically, which is fab. I'm excited to give them a go. I'm excited to give all them goodies a go, so shout out L'Oreal. And then, if I'm correct, this is from my faves over at Rimmel. Just absolutely adore Rimmel. So we have the Mega Lift mascara, which looks like this. As you can see, I have plenty of mascaras to test this month. And that's what the little pamphlet looks like. So this is from Maybelline, which is another new mascara. I swear it's mascara season at the minute. But this is their new Body Lash Sensational, I don't know. But yeah, another mascara, so excited to try that. So shout out Maybelline. Gorgeous goodies from the YSL. Like, how iconic. A waterproof eyeliner, I think, in like a plum shade, I believe. So excited to try that. Then their new lash latex, also from YSL. As I said, literally mascara season right now. So that is all my little kind of tiny goodie bags. So I'm going to go ahead and we can do the big boxes behind me. There's lots of brands. Morphe, the Inkey List, Floral Street. There's so many, so stay tuned because there's so much more goodies. So firstly, I'm going to start with some skincare, which is from Numb Buzzin'. A lifting Sil essence. I absolutely love like Korean skincare and things, so I'm excited to try this. The Retinol Volume Tox Eye Cream. And we have the NAD plus PDRN Glow Boosting Toner. So shout out to them. So we have some goodies from Antipodes, which I've actually never tried them yet, so I'm excited to give them a go. This is our ceramide souffle, so I'm excited to give her a go. I love me some good skincare. So shout out to Antipodes. Then we have a gorgeous little box from Sunday Riley, and it comes with a cute little note. It says, "Dear Jade, please find and close a selection of formulas from the latest Sunday Riley Holistic Blemish line with breakout fighting barrier loving formulas. We hope you love them as much as we do." So cute. I love a personalised note. It comes with, oh my god, how adorable is that? It comes with a little makeup, well, not makeup bag, a skincare bag, which is so adorable. We have Breakup Purifying Salicylic Acid Cleanser for oily and blemish prone skin, which I have been breaking out. You can't really tell today on my skin, but your girl has been breaking out, so I'm excited to give these a go. Then we have the Sunday Riley AI Smart Retinoid Serum, which is very fancy. So shout out to Sunday Riley because you guys always spoil me. Some goodies from the Inky List range, which, oh, look at her. I love when the Inky List send little personalised notes as well. I just love when brands do that. So we have the Starter Retinol, the Exosome Hydro Glow. See this product, by the way? Oh, it is so good on your skin. I've literally put my best friend on it. It is so good. And then we have the Advanced Retinol Serum, and then their Bioactive Repairing Moisturiser, which I've also put my mum onto. She absolutely adores this moisturiser. It is so good. Shout out to Inky List because I use you guys non-stop, and so does my family and friends at this point. So this is from Laneige Water Bank Moisturiser. And this is what she looks like. So hopefully you guys can see that. But this is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturiser. So shout out to Laneige because I've actually not tried anything from Laneige yet, so I'm excited to give them a go as well. Next we have a product from COSRX. This is the PDRN Exosome Skin Planning Glaze Mask, which I have heard is meant to be amazing. I love a good face mask. So if it's going to give me glazed skin, sign me up. So shout out to COSRX. To some fragrance because why not? This is from Floral Street. I don't know if you guys will have seen it on social media, but this is basically Floral Street and Bridgerton collab. So this is what she looks like. So this is what the box looks like. You guys the little pamphlet. And I'll just take it out of the box and I'll show you guys the box because the bottle, because it's so cute. This is what she looks like. She comes in a little box. And she smells divine. She's not too sweet as well. Like, I'm not one for like really sweet floral scents, but she's just nice. She's not too strong. Also, I wanted to show you guys the little detail. I don't know if you guys can see at the very top, there is a little like Bridgerton mask at the top here, which is so cute. Then I also got one of the new Serum Gloss Tinted Lip Cares from Vaseline, which I'm excited to give her a go. I love just a classic OG Vaseline, so I'm excited to give her a try. So shout out Vaseline. Next we have a little parcel from my favourites over at Collection, and I actually have a little video coming out with them very soon. So yeah, I don't know if I'm actually allowed to show what's in this package because I think she is out once I'm filming this, but I'll just give a little, just in case I'm not allowed to share it yet. But yeah, huge thank you to Collection for those little goodies, and be sure to stay tuned for my little ad on Instagram and TikTok. So this one I got a few weeks ago now. You guys probably can't even see, but I had to just show you guys because it's Morphe. But this is what she looks like. And as you can see, I was shook when I opened this. Like, first of all, she's meant to look like a stick of butter. Are you kidding me? The packaging on this is genius. And then we have a bunch of like brushes, sponges, things like that. Quickly. So that is one of the bundles. A sponge and a powder puff. Basically a whole load of brushes. As you can see, I'm going to film a video on this, showing the whole collection. So if you want to see that, let me know. But yeah, thank you Morphe. Okay guys, so the next package is from, basically they did a box, I don't want to tip that over. Basically they did a box with Trip. So I'll just put this on the table and show you guys. So basically they sent their Trip drinks in the cherry lemon, some OP's cocktail cherries. They put in ingredients that you can make like a sleepy girl kind of mocktail vibe. And then they also sent over tart cherry pressed juice to also go in the mocktail, obviously. We have a little milk frother. But yes, a shout out to Trip and Community X for all these little goodies. Then we have some more fun skincare, which this is her, and as you can see, she looks like a carton of milk. So this is from the brand Innisfree, and basically you open her up like a little fridge, and this is what she looks like. A green tea ceramide cream, and then we also have the green tea ceramide milk barrier essence, which is like a kind of milky toner essence vibe. Shout out to Innisfree because this is honestly so cute, and I'm so excited to try them on my skin. Guys, then we have an iconic, another Morphe package, which is their new life proof setting spray, which if you guys have not seen this yet, I don't know how, because it's literally been all over social media, but this is what she looks like. And it says on it, which is so shady, a Morphe, but I literally love it, it says hold your makeup, not your breath, which if you know, a lot of these like life proof kind of hold setting sprays, I nearly said hairspray there because most of them feel like hairspray on your face, but because they're so like powerful and they basically are like hairspray for your face, sometimes they can feel like they're burning your face and you struggle to breathe. So Morphe are claiming with this new one that this does not do that. So I'm excited to give her a go, do the little mister, because I already tested this like for a little unboxing when it came, and I'm shook because look at this mist. Look how gentle that is. Like, it's not super aggressive like most of the sprays, and there's literally no smell to it. So I'm so excited to give her a go. So shout out to Morphe because best believe your girl was going to be putting this to the test. A gorgeous package from I Love Cosmetics. This is my first time trying this brand. I'm trying to hold this up to show you guys. So this is what she looks like. She is packed to the brim. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the floor and I can unbox it because she's heavy. Firstly, we have these little sugar scrubs, which this is in here. This is in watermelon and this is in Stardust. She smells divine. I don't know if you guys know those sweets, and it's like the soda bottles, like cola bottles, but it's like pink and blue, I think. That's what this smells like. So I'm so excited to try that because that smells like heaven and I love those gummies, so I'm excited to try that. Then we have two whipped body butters. I love these whipped kind of style body butters and shower gels. So I'm excited to give these a go. And then we have 4 body sprays. Starry Eyed. She's like super fresh. We have Sunset Club. She's kind of like mango, passion fruity kind of vibes. I feel like these are going to be perfect in the summer, which smells super fresh. It's kind of got like a subtle coconut scent in it, which has kind of got a caramel kind of smell to it. This is her. So shout out to I Love Cosmetics because I'm about to be smelling divine. Another package, and basically it is shower foams. I'm sorry guys, look at that. How iconic is that? So this is Cherry Bomb, which when you take it off, it's literally like, what do you call that? Squishy cream, basically, but in a body form. And this smells so good. It literally smells like cherries, like lemony kind of vibe. So that is what they look like. Drop it like it's hot. Shout out to I Love Cosmetics. And then lastly, we have another Morphe package. These PR packages have been like within the past 3-4 weeks, so I've collected these up. This is not just from one day, which is why there's a few Morphe packages. But this is their new iconic collection. I'm obsessed, and there's definitely going to be like a separate video on this whole collection, which will probably be on Instagram and TikTok. But let me know if you guys want to see it on here as well. But this is what she looks like, and I'm so excited to dive in and try all this. So huge shout out to Morphe again for spoiling me. Literally, anytime one of these packages come, I'm like a kid in a candy shop, honestly, because Morphe has been one of those brands that I've been wanting to get on a PR for like, I think about 10 years now. I've been doing this a long time. So the fact that I'm actually on their list now is like mind-blowing to me. So I'm super, super grateful. So shout out to Morphe because you guys know I love you guys. So guys, this was my unboxing PR haul. This was definitely not all from the one day. This was collected up the past 3-4 weeks, which is still a lot. And honestly, I can't wrap my head around it sometimes, like the fact that this is my life now. If you followed me from the beginning on YouTube, when I first started, like I only ever dreamed of this happening, and the fact that it's actually happening now, and to get to work with some of my favourite brands that I've been using since the beginning, it just blows my mind, honestly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of taking it back to YouTube vibe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, because I'm definitely going to try and keep doing this. Because I used to love doing YouTube, and I feel like the girlies are coming back in little sprinkles, so I'm like, I want to be in with the gang. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little PR haul, and huge shout out to all the brands that are mentioned in this video, of course, because I'm literally getting spoiled. And it means I can make more videos for you guys, which is why I want to introduce into YouTube as well, because I feel like I can't do every single video with products that I've sent for each social media. Like, it's just impossible. So if I have a YouTube, it means I can try some things and make it into one big video rather than singular videos on Instagram and like TikTok. Oh, yeah, that is me rambling on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!